We are going to go through the steps of using voice typing inside Google. So we're going to start by going to Google Docs. And here is Google Docs. And I'm going to open up this document, welcome email. And for this project, I'm going to suggest some edits to Miss Bellino. So I'm going to go up here to my right, and instead of editing, I'm going to put suggestions. I'm going to come to Tools. I'm going to go to Voice Typing so that when I want to suggest something, it'll be there for Miss Bellino. And down here is where I want to make some suggestions to her. So I'm going to put my cursor right here, and I'm ready to speak into Google. And I'm going to say, Miss Bellino, you should add your certification for the grades you can teach along with the grades you taught at Barnard Elementary, period. I'm done. Oops, that wasn't supposed to go there. When I was done, I clicked this again, and like normal, there's always going to be a few edits that need to be made. So I'm just going to come in here, fix it really fast. And there it is for her, and it's down here for her to accept the suggestions when I share it back with her by going back and pushing done, so it's back to Miss Bellino. And because we are in Google, we can come down back to our docs, and we can add any kind of voice recording and put it anywhere in Google Docs. So I'm going to open up a blank document, and I'm going to use voice typing again, and this time I'm going to write an email to Dr. Jones. Let's say, Dr. Jones, comma, I'm checking in to see if you got my email about the Addy model. Thank you, Elizabeth. And now I am going to copy and paste this into an email for Mr. Dr. Jones. And there he is. And I am ready to send. Pretty easy to use some voice typing.